Hi, I'm Belle from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. I'm so excited to introduce to you today our professional ceramic non-stick plus cookware collection. We worked with Green Pan to develop this commercial quality ceramic non-stick cookware. This pan has a high-tech diamond-infused surface that's textured to give you a great sear. Today I'll be making a savory Dutch baby. A Dutch baby is an oven-baked pancake that puffs up in the oven just like a popover. Today I'm going to give it a little bit of a savory twist by topping it with bacon and eggs. I'm going to start by putting butter in my pan and transfer to an oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees. While my butter is melting in the pan in the oven, I'm going to whip up the batter. I'm going to gently fold in our Gruyere cheese. Now that the batter is ready, I'm going to grab the pan from the oven. It has an eco-friendly ceramic nonstick coating that's PFOA free and oven safe. This pan has a large cooking surface, so the Dutch baby will really puff up nicely. I'm going to transfer it back to the oven. While the Dutch baby's in the oven, I'm going to make some bacon to top it. Great, now we'll just wipe out the same pan so we can fry up some eggs to top our savory Dutch baby. An aluminum core ensures even heating and great results, while the induction plus magnetic base is compatible with all cooktops. Now that the egg is cooked, I'm gonna go check on our Dutch baby. Oh, beautiful, you can see how it puffed up really nicely. These pans have a really durable ceramic coating, so you can use a metal spatula. I'm just gonna sprinkle the Dutch baby with some chopped scallions, the fried egg, and our bacon. Top off with a few more scallions. To learn more about the cookware and this recipe, head to williamsonoma.com and let us know what you think.